Hello, my name is Steve Elofson, and I'm a Senior Avionics Sales Rep here at Duncan Aviation. I'm excited to tell you about the new state-of-the-art Collins Venue cabin management system that Duncan Aviation installed in this Falcon 900EX. The CMS controls all of the electrical components within the cabin, as well as any audio-video capabilities. Here are a few features of this specific system. The main system control is just aft of the entrance door as you walk in. This 10-inch screen provides the main control to all of the cabin features. Some of those features include galley functions, cabin lighting, entertainment management, temperature adjustment, and for trips with a flight attendant, cabin call. The system is sleek and intuitive. With this screen, setting adjustments, customization, and troubleshooting are easily manageable. In an open compartment just forward of the touchscreen, there is an AC outlet and an HDMI port to integrate the entertainment system of your choice. Along with the ports, the system is Bluetooth and screencast friendly. Moving into the main cabin, there are two 4K LCD smart displays flush mounted into the forward and aft bulkheads. Both are 22 inches, the largest allowable size for this aircraft. These 4K displays offer 4 times the pixel count compared to the old HD displays of the past, offering sharper and more detailed images. These are smart displays with built-in computing power and an optional large solid-state storage drive. This will enable future technologies to operate in the areas of direct-to-display streaming, casting capabilities, and many others still in development. At each cabin seating position is a passenger control unit. These units allow each passenger to control local functions such as lighting and headphone control. The control unit at the VIP seat offers the same capabilities along with temperature control and audio-video management. This is a customizable feature, so every seat can have a different control based on the passenger preference. This new graphical user interface is adept at handling Bluetooth, pairing, and other modern technologies. There are multiple AC outlets throughout the aircraft, along with USB-A and C charging ports to support carry-on electronic devices. The newer USB-C ports offer 60-watt charging for the latest devices. An additional HDMI port was installed at the VIP seat for the option to direct connect a laptop computer or other device to the system. Most everything controllable on the main galley screen can also be controlled wirelessly via any Apple or Android device. With this wireless integration, you essentially have your own remote control for the CMS. Through Apple AirPlay, content can be streamed wirelessly to the displays from an iPhone or iPad. If the aircraft is equipped with a streaming-capable internet connectivity system, movies and other content can be streamed through any of the various streaming services made available on the CMS. Another option available is an audio-video on-demand system, where many movies and TV shows are digitally stored on the aircraft and made available to the CMS. An Alto audio system was installed to ensure premium sound quality. In addition to very high-quality speakers and equipment, an Alto audio specialist maps the specific aircraft interior and custom tunes the sound system to provide the best possible audio experience for the space. Full spectrum LED mood lighting was installed on this aircraft and integrated with the CMS. Whether you want to choose from a wide range of colors or adjust the warmness or coolness of the white lighting, this selection can be done on the galley screen, personal touchscreens, or through the cabin control app. In some areas of the aircraft, push buttons were installed where touchscreens aren't practical. Some of these areas include closets, the lavatory, and the entryway for use when the aircraft is not fully powered. Finally, the CMS includes one of the most popular features among customers, an HD 3D airshow moving map system. This allows passengers to see the aircraft's current position, arrival time, airspeed, destination data, and a custom representation of the specific aircraft, paint scheme and all. This CMS allows for full customization for your flight experience. For more information, reach out to a Duncan Aviation sales rep, scan the QR code, or use the link provided on the screen. Thank you for watching this video. Let us know what you think in the comments.